Welcome all. Our today's topic is scheduling techniques. As for a project, as the cost, its time, it's too necessary. Same as scheduling is also very important. If we will not schedule well, the project will not finish on time. As you have to prepare for your exams, and you know that in December we have the final exam, then you have 6 months, then you will prepare a schedule. In August I will do this, in September I will do this, and till October I will do this. Then this is called scheduling. For a particular project, this scheduling will be done to keep our project within the time frame. Okay, this is the terminology of scheduling technique, that we want to finish our entire project within the time frame. Okay, it scheduling support visibility into project progress, risk management, identification of critical events, and rescheduling as well. If anytime we have, or we come to know that our project is going out of date, or going beyond the time frame, then we will reschedule our tasks. Here we have some terminologies in scheduling which we used and we will cover in this lecture. That is schedule. As you all know, schedule is a well defined structure to complete a task, that in this month or till this date we will complete this task. Second one is task. Task is any output, any deliverable you want to create. This will be our task. The third one is work product. Work product is a final deliverable, the work which we have to develop. And next one is event. Any event, as you have create a particular module, then this will achieved as an event is achieved. The next one is milestone. The project is completed in some steps, and these particular steps are called as milestones. We will learn about milestone charts also in this lecture. Next one is target schedule. When we will schedule a special scheduling to achieve any target. Next one is network diagram. We will prepare a network diagram of our tasks, our schedules. Critical path method. We will find a way by which we can complete our tasks within time frame. We will learn about these separately as well. The next terminology is thrashing. Thrashing is a situation where we have a large amount of resources. We have a maximum amount of resources, and we have a minimum amount of work to do. Then we will find, by thrashing we will select from that them particular resource is a particular one or a suitable one. This is called thrashing. The next terminology is synchronization point. The point in a project schedule that require the team to synchronize the contents of products, complete tasks, and reduce defects. Scheduling techniques help to achieve the project goals. Our ultimate aim is to achieve our project goals. Here we have two most common scheduling techniques which we will follow in any project. A well-known chart, that is Gantt chart, and the milestone chart. This is called bar chart as well. These two charts we will prepare this scheduling in the form of a charts. Okay, by bar chart, a bar chart is a graphical tool. As we have discussed, we will graphically represent our work. We will graphically represent our schedule by these charts that can be used to represent data in a way that is easy to read and easy to understand and provide the ability to for easy comparison of all provided data. Bar charts are generally of two types: milestone charts and Gantt chart. First of all, see the milestone charts. A milestone chart is a horizontal chart that makes the most important steps of your projects. A milestone chart is a way to visualize the most important steps of your projects, or we can say we will define some important steps that as for an example, we have a project, and in a particular project there are 5 different modules we have to complete. Then these different modules will be our milestones. As one milestone is achieved, another will arrive, and when another will achieved, next one is arrived. Okay, let's check it by the example. Here we have 8 milestones and 8 months. Okay, we have decided a particular milestone for a particular month. In January, we will achieve milestone 1. In February, we will achieve milestone 2. And month by month, we will achieve our 8th milestone in the month of August. Okay, this thing will be clear to you. The next one is Gantt chart. Gantt chart is very famous and mostly used in project development process. It's also a bar chart, and it will show the time duration. As in the milestone chart we have decided a particular month, that is January. We have not decided the date. Okay, Gantt chart can be prepared by dates, by months, by quarterly, and by yearly as well for the big projects as well. After you have finished working on your network diagrams, you need to create your Gantt chart. For every task, we will create the Gantt chart for every task. Every task. It's a horizontal chart, and it is developed by Henry L. Gantt in 1917, who was an American engineer and social scientist. A Gantt chart commonly used in project management is one of the most popular and useful way, as we have discussed it earlier. Each activity is represented by a bar. The position and length of the bar reflects the start date, duration, and end of the activity. By this example, you will know about this clearly, as we have a project. It have 2 quarters, mainly 6 months, and by seeing this chart you can easily see that planning will start from January, and mid or about to finish the February the planning will take place. The research process will start in mid of February and go in the March. Here, same as this time is for design phase. The implementation will covered till May. Okay, and in June we will take follow up of the project. So by seeing this you can easily understand if, and this, here I want to clear one thing more, that if for a particular task, for a particular module, if we change the team, then by seeing these charts, by seeing these diagrams, the new team can easily find what is going on. Okay, so this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.